A basket cover, designed and made by Fireside and Fairy Tale. I used 3 floral patterns and a plain backing material. Gather tools, scissors, thread, yarn and iron-on interfacing. Measure your basket. Cut material and interfacing. Please refer to my previous video on quick EPP without the P. I cut out 10 hexagons. Turn them over to ascertain the correct seam joining. Stitch in rows, then add 1 row to the next. I added 8 diamonds. Place your hexagons on backing material and draw a pencil outline. Cut out, leaving a selvage to fold in. Where there are diamonds, cut a straight line in the selvage. Along the pencil line, fold and press. Place the backing and the batting and the hexagon cover, one on top of the other, and stitch round. I added a ribbon edging and 3 ribbons to decorate. Well, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon.